Check 1, 2, check 1, 2. Lesson 64. Using money to model decimal numbers. In this lesson, we are going to use money to illustrate decimal numbers. If you remember in our number system, the position of a digit occupies in a number has a value called a place value. And every number has a place value. As we move to the left from the ones place, the value of each place is 10 times greater than its place to the right. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to be making this chart here. And this chart has the place name, which is hundreds, tens, ones, tenths, and hundredths. And then it has a place value, a place, and a money value. And we're talking about money right now, so we're going to put a line down here for the change, okay? So basically, if you start out with pennies and then you move to the tens, you have to multiply your pennies by 10 to get to this place value, and then multiply it by 10 more to get to the hundreds. And then after hundreds comes thousands, 10,000s, and then 100,000s, and then we get into the millions. Those are place values. So we've got our place name is hundredths. The place value is going to be in the hundredths place. And then the hundreds is the third number from the 1, 2, 3. So this is ones, tens, hundreds. And then, so we're going to start over here at the 1. At the tens, you can put 10, and then you can put 1. So your 1 is the first number to the left of the decimal point, and the second number is your tens, and then your third number is your hundreds. So what kind of money do we use for the ones place? We use a $1 bill, right? And for the tens place, we use a $10 bill. And for the hundreds place, we use a $100 bill. And for the tenths place, it's the first digit after the decimal point, or to the right of the decimal point, and we use dimes. Because 1 dime is worth a penny, which is one dime is worth 10 cents, which is a tenth of a dollar, because 10 dimes make up $1. And then the hundredths place, we use pennies. And that's the second place over from the decimal point to the right. And it is 1/100th of a dollar. So 100 pennies equals $1. 10 dimes equals $1. And then $1, so you multiply it by 10 every time you're going to the left. So here are your questions. What combination of dollars, dimes, and pennies makes up $4.65 using the fewest bills and coins? So we know that we would need $4 for $1 bills. And how many dimes would we need? We would need $4, 6 dimes, and 5 pennies. And when it says using the fewest bills and coins, it's talking about these coins that we have listed. So yes, you could use 2 quarters and a nickel, but we are using these ones that have a place value of something in the hundredths place. That stands for 1 decimal. What is the place value of the 4 in $6.24? Well, the 4 is the second place to the right of the decimal, so that's the hundredths place. H-U-N-D-R-E-D, it's hundred, and then T-H-S, hundredths place. Is $3.67 closer to $3.60 or to $3.70? So to move from 67, and we've got 60, and we've got 70, it would have to go 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, and then 67, 68, 69, 70. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 humps or 3 humps. So it is closer to $3.70. And then the last one. On his way home from work, Gabe stopped at the store and bought carrots for $1.66, broccoli for $3.42, and cauliflower for $2.55. What is an estimate for the cost of the vegetables? So we're going to use rounding. So we're going to round. The carrots were $1.66. We're going to round it to $1.50. Plus broccoli for $3.42. We're going to round that to $3.50. And cauliflower is $2.55. We're going to round that to $2.50. So we add them all up, and we'll add up the change first. So we've got 1 whole there and 50 cents left over. So we know we're going to use 50 cents. And then in whole dollars, remember we've got 1 with this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we're going to estimate that his total was $7.50. Have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in school.